Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today I'm with Jim. G'day Jim.
How are you?
Now Jim, I found something of yours. What did I find?
Oh, the Bambi bucket I lost.
So how long ago did you lose that?
Oh, look, I think probably about 14 years ago.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So at the time you were contracting for the New South Wales Fire Brigade?
I think it was probably a National Parks job. We were on.
Yeah. Now, as you know, the east coast of Australia is just getting smashed with bushfires over the last few months. We're now in flood, which is just amazing. But you've been pretty busy the last couple of months out working.
Yeah, no, everybody's been on it.
Yeah. And on behalf of everyone, I'd like to say thank you very much for all your service to the community. I live in the mountains myself, so I've had helicopters living over my house for days on end. So I know the great work that you guys do, and as a community member, thank you very much for your hard work. A lot of people don't understand how dangerous it is, the work that you're doing. We saw a little bit this season, this fire season. We saw a helicopter went down in a dam. Whereabouts was that?
Oh, that was down in Bega.
Yeah, and that was one of your mates.
Yeah, good friend of mine. Yeah.
We also had the tragedy where we lost that Hercules down near Canberra, where we lost a couple of our American brothers over there when the plane crashed.
That was pretty sad.
Yeah, absolutely devastating. And that is such a tight-knit community as well. So, it affects everyone. So tell us a little bit about this bag. So you reckon you lost it about 14 years ago?
Yeah. We were on a little fire near Bent's Base.
Yeah.
Western suburbs of Sydney, and I was actually on a fire, but I was doing a check ride on a pilot who was coming to join us, an experienced pilot.
Yep.
And from memory, we were dipping out of Bent's Basin, and from memory, we had just picked the load up and had just got it out of the water, and all of a sudden the hook released, and we lost the bucket. And of course, I looked over at my trainee. Well, he wasn't a trainee. I was just doing a check ride on him, and I said, "What did you touch?" And he said, "Nothing," because I hadn't either. But it was an inadvertent release, which is pretty rare.
Yeah.
It was a machine new to us, and subsequently they found fault with the hook.
Yeah.
So we had to fly home and get another bucket.
Did your colleagues give you a hard time about it?
Oh, they always do. Yeah.
So, have you ever lost a bucket before?
Never lost one.
So you say they are expensive. So if you had to fork out for a new one, how much do you reckon they cost a new one?
A replacement for that would be, 10 grand plus.
Are they covered by insurance or anything like that, or did you?
You can insure them, but I can't recall whether that one's covered by insurance. If it was, maybe I should give it back to them. Do you think?
Oh, as you can see, she's in pretty rough condition, so I don't think it'll be very salvageable. It's interesting, after 14 odd years underwater, the control is completely corroded, and it's had a hard life under there. So.
Well, that is interesting, given it's in fresh water. But, there you have it.
Yeah, absolutely. Righto, well, thank you very much.
Good on you. Thanks for finding it for us.
No, that's all right. Thank you for serving your community and out there keeping our areas safe.
It was quite a shock to get the phone call and to tell me that you'd found my lost bucket.
Yeah, it's a bit random, I know. Part of what I do though is I go out looking for rubbish as well. Like I look for interesting things, of course, but also try and get as much. Alright guys, if you like these kind of videos, make sure you leave a comment and subscribe, and don't forget to support the New South Wales Rural Fire Service, and just keep in mind people like Jim who go out every fire season risking their lives to protect our property and our lives. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Thanks.
Right, Mick, that was absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for taking us on that little adventure. That was really cool. Cheers, man. Thanks, buddy. Right, if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Cheers, guys.
My pleasure.